Okay, in our previous video, in previous tutorial, we did optimization or relax calculation. Now in this tutorial, tutorial 3, we will perform SCF calculation. So for that, what I can do is, first let's create a folder SCF. You can write any name for the folder, but I'm writing like SCF. So now I'm going to the relax folder again. From here, I will copy some files, like I will copy relax.in and the pseudo potential file and the script. So this I'm copying to SCF folder. Okay. CP means copy. I'm copying this file, and this file. Dot slash, double dot slash means I'm going backward because there is relax and SCF here. So I am now inside relax folder. So I'm going back and I'm going to SCF folder. I'm copying to SCF folder. So this is basically the Linux command. So this may be helpful for the beginners. Now, so Control L, when I do Control L, it will clear everything. Now I'm going back CD double dot slash S. So I'm going to SCF folder. So this is basically Linux command. Okay. So now here we are inside SCF folder. Previously we performed calculation under relax folder. Now I want to perform second calculation, that is SCF calculation inside SCF folder. Actually, you can calculate all these properties inside a single folder also, but as I'm having the tutorials and also for my ease, I am creating different folder. Okay, so copy, no, sorry, I'll rename this, move relax.in. You can move as scf.in. So I'm renaming this. Okay, this is just the renaming. So relax.in I renamed as scf.in. Now let's go to scf.in. Here is the calculation. I will change the SCF. So calculation is SCF. Now everything is same, but here we have to change this coordinate because we have to use the optimized coordinate. Okay, in this case I can see the coordinates are same, but it's not always the same case. Like we don't have the optimized coordinate may be different. In this case it looks same, but for other calculation it may be different. So I am teaching you how we can change this coordinate. Okay, Control X, Y, enter, it will save it. Now I'm going back to relax folder and I'm doing cat relax.out. So now I'm in the relax folder and I'm doing cat relax.out. So if I go little up, so here I can see this is the optimized coordinate. Okay. So I'm copying this, right click, it will copy it. Now I'm going back to SCF. Now nano scf.in. Now I have to replace the coordinate. Here it is same, but let's do it. So I'm deleting it. If there are like many coordinates, like more than 100 or 50 or 200 coordinates, then you can just copy all these to notepad++ and you can replace there. It will be easy. But here are only 8 coordinates, 8 atoms. That's why I'm replacing in terminal. Like I'm doing everything here. So I just replace it, Control X, Y, enter. Now what I can do is I can run it. But before that, let me change it in script file. Script file. Here it should be like scf.in, and scf.out, control X, Y, enter. So now I can run it as batch script. So let me check. It's on waiting. Okay. So this is the one QE. So it is on waiting. Let me pause this and I will be back after some time. Okay, so here we can see scf.out is generated. So let's check it. I'm checking from cat scf.out. Yeah. So the job is done. So SCF is completed. So in this way, we perform SCF calculation after relaxed calculation. In next video, I will show you how we can perform NSCF calculation. So please go to Google or any AI website like ChatGPT and search for what is SCF calculation, what is NSCF calculation, what is optimization, what is relaxed calculation, and also have detailed information about the tags that are used in SCF calculation, relaxed calculation, NSCF calculation, and also about the pseudo potential file. So try to gain knowledge about all these things. Okay, and if you encounter any error while performing this type of calculation, you can always email me. You can find my email in this YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Please like the videos and also please comment the videos. So the more you do comment, the more you email me. Like I will like to be active. I get some energy to make this kind of videos. So thank you. So in next video, I will do tutorials on NSCF calculation.